Hi guys, so by now you should have read pages 8 and 9 here that I have pulled up, power line safety. We did briefly go over this in school last week, but I just wanted to review a little bit and go over graphic features. So we've worked with these early on in the year, but I kind of just wanted to review so that you know how it can help you with your reading. Some of the different types of graphic features that authors use are the title or the heading. So up here, power line safety, that's the title of this reading. Okay. Another graphic feature that authors will use are photographs. Right here, there's a photograph. And if you aren't quite sure what the photograph is, there usually is always a caption, which is another graphic feature that's below the photo to tell you or inform you about what's going on in the picture. So here, power line safety, you probably think, okay, well, yeah, that might be a power line that's down on the road. However, if you look at the caption, it will help you to understand it more. So treat every downed power line, so it is a power line that's down, as a hazard. Okay, so we've got our title and our heading, or our heading. We've got our photograph. Remember, photographs and illustrations are a little bit different. Photographs are actually pictures that have been taken that you can take with a camera, where illustrations are pictures that the author has drawn. Okay, here's our caption again. Other graphic features are maps. Sometimes there will be maps to show you different spots of where they're talking about. There's also charts that might be on there. Those kind of look like graphs. And then diagrams. So here we have some diagrams in 1, 2, and 3. And the diagrams are going to show parts of a whole or steps in a process. So this diagram is going to show you steps in a certain process. So number 1, the diagram step would be avoid water. And this little diagram here shows you how to avoid water. Okay. Number 2, shuffle to safety. This diagram is showing you how you can do that and what not to do. Number 3 is call for help as soon as you can. These are ways not to call for help because they have those little arrows with the line through them, which say do not do this, the opposite of this. So again, just a little review, we have our title or our heading. We have our photographs to help us. We have our captions to explain our photographs. And then down here we have some diagrams. And these are all called graphic features that authors use to help you understand your text and kind of visualize it a little bit better.